Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, watching the CW thanks to my ANTOP paper thin antenna to where you can get over the air stations on your HDTV in HD. That's right, now I can't show you all the stations because copyrights and things, but I can tell you what, in your area, if you live in a big city, you could get dozens of channels thanks to a device like this, all completely kosher, everything's good with it, and it's absolutely fantastic. Now, the setup and installation only took seconds. Plugged it into my coax, plugged it in the USB, that was it. And I just had to go to my input on the TV, select the input that's TV, and I was good to go. So, what's so special about this? It's an omnidirectional reception. You can get it from 360 all around. It has a booster on it, so this is above and beyond a lot of what your secondary, your not so good antennas do. Also, you see I just set it here for looks. Obviously, you can put that right on the back of the TV. You can mount it on the wall, wherever you want it. It's paper thin. It's not going to show up. I just put it up front so you could see it, but you can hide that thing away. So this will work up to 8K. It's 1080p and 4K. And this is a fantastic device. If you're looking at those stations like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, the CW, Telemundo, all those Latin channels, they're over the air. You can pick them up easy peasy. All you have to do is plug it into your coax. All you have to do is plug it into a USB or your wall for power, and you're good to go. This is fantastic. It's quick and easy setup. Tons of channels. Omnidirectional, and depending on where you live, you may get more channels than others, but this is a great product, and go ahead and pick it up. I'm talking HD quality image, great reception, and this is the future of cutting the cord. So folks, stick around. We're going to show it up close and personal, but a reminder, installation's a breeze, and you're not going to get better than this. This is great for city living. This is great if you're out in the countries, you don't have cable. I live in Tampa now, we get tons of channels. I lived out in the country back in the day. We had one of these, we get great channels way out in the middle of nowhere where we couldn't get cable. So go ahead and pick yours up. If your question is it worth it? Heck yes, even if you have cable, it's a great way to get those local channels that may not be on your direct satellites and things. So go ahead and pick it up, folks. You won't be disappointed. Stick around for the up close portion of the video where you get to see all the details and how paper thin this truly is. Thanks for watching, and stick around. All right, folks, everyone always asks to see it up close and personal, so let's go ahead and do that. You can see it's paper thin, literally paper thin, like a sheet of paper. And what people don't realize is that your TVs nowadays don't come with that built-in antenna. And you don't realize that you can get HD TV across the air. All you need is one of these, all right? So it does have the 110, you plug it in, you can also USB it, little on and off type thing here, and this thing does a lot. So it's Ultra HD 8K compatible, 1080p and 4K of course, more channels with VHF and UHF technology, omnidirectional, amplified smart technology, so you got the amplifier. A lot of similar antennas don't have the amplifier, and that's going to make the real difference, and that's why ANTOP exceeds expectations. Remember, your free channels you can get over the air. It's channels like NBC, ABC, the CW, Buzzer, Unimas Vision, Univision, PBS, Telemundo, CBS, Indie channels, MyTV, TBN, Fox, Comet, Azteca, and literally hundreds, if not thousands more. So your area probably gets dozens of channels. You just don't have the right antenna for it. All you have to do is plug this in. It is, you can put it on your wall anywhere. You can stick it behind your TV. They do come with all the adhesive to where you can just put it pretty much anywhere. You can screw it to the wall if you want. It has the instruction manual and basically some literature on how you can use it. So anyway, folks, this thing's absolutely fantastic. It has the USB cable, everything you need. Yeah, I can't stress enough. If you want to stop paying for cable, you can. Save your ducats for Uncle Sam. This is absolutely fantastic. ANTOP makes some of the best, thinnest, most lightweight antennas, and people seem to love them. So go ahead and pick yours up, folks. You're gonna dig this. This thing is among the best of the best, and you can forget the rest. Let me show you this one more time. ANTOP. If you're considering getting one, stop considering, go ahead and pick it up. You won't be disappointed, folks. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you products we love, and I love this, and you will too. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.